Hello everybody, welcome to this Zoom talk, an exciting talk. Question now is, are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? Are you sick and tired of not having enough money? Maybe the right time is right now to change your life. Because so often people procrastinate and they never take this decision to change their lives. So maybe this is the time for you to change. Now why have we, my wife and myself, why did we decide to do this opportunity? Well, we had financial difficulties. One Christmas we had to choose between school clothes and toys for Christmas gifts. We didn't have money for both. And unfortunately, we were forced to buy school clothes, wrap it in Christmas gift paper and put it under the Christmas tree and give that to our children. At first we were relieved because when they opened it, they were excited about the new school clothes. But afterwards, when we thought about it, we said, wow, if that is where we are financially, the children are even excited about these school clothes for Christmas gifts, then we are really in trouble. So we needed a solution. Well, we tried several things. Lisa made tracksuits for children which she sold. She baked banana loaves for home industries. Lisa and myself, we were selling makeup. Yes, I could tell you lipstick, crimson red lipstick and whatever, nail polish and all those things. All in an attempt to survive. I started a plant nursery in our backyard. I went to craft markets over weekends, all in an attempt to raise money. Then I decided to do a master's degree, because in those days my salary would have gone up by a certain amount after 4 years part-time study. And take note, I would have had to make debt to do this part-time, the degree part-time as well. Friends of us told us about this opportunity, but we just said, not interested, leave us alone. Sort of that attitude of being there, done that, got a t-shirt, thank you. But they wrote us letters in the days of snail mail still, before emails. And they told us about this opportunity. And then they said, we made this much this month. Then a month later we get another letter, we made this much, and this much, and then this much. Every month, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Any case, they were on holiday towards the end of 2 years. And they came to visit us. And that changed our lives, because when they visited us, now remember, they were on holiday for 2 weeks. And then they said, when we go home, a check is waiting for us. And today's terms, you talk about 15,000 Rand or 20,000 Rand check would be waiting for them. But take note, they were on holiday. So how did they make the money while they are on holiday? That's when we decided, tell us. We want to know what you did, because really we need to improve our income. So they told us, and we started. So, before I explain more about the opportunity, what happened was then, our first month in this opportunity, we made 3 times more than my salary increase would have been after 4 years part-time study on a master's degree. Now, I am a qualified science and math teacher, and that mathematics was easy. 3 times more than in 1 month than I would get in 4 years part-time study. So I did not continue with a master's degree. Now I'm not saying one mustn't study. The point is, at that stage in our lives, we needed money, and lots more money for the sake of our children. Now what is this opportunity about? Let me try to explain it to you. It started in the USA in 1958. Even before I was born, it was started. It shows you longevity. It shows you it has proven itself, it's successful. It's not a fly-by-night. It also shows it has a long-term vision and a long-term record. It operates in about 60 countries. Now that's also fantastic, because that means your market is not limited where you can earn money from. Now the benefits. There are many more. This is just some of the benefits. You are your own boss. That can be scary for some people, but you make your own decisions, what, where, when, how much, and so on. You are your own boss. But, you can do this part-time or full-time. In other words, you're busy with your job, your daytime job, you do this after hours. That's what we did, because I was a teacher at that stage. We did this part-time. 3 years into this opportunity, we took more money at home from this opportunity per month than from a teacher's salary. So you can do it part-time or full-time. And here's the other clincher. You get free training and support. So if you are scared about being your own boss, don't worry. There is support and training. That's one of the reasons for tonight's talk. I'm giving support and also training to people. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Again, don't be scared. There is somebody or more than one person or a group of people that will take you by the hand and help you. You can save and you can make money. And you can get holidays. We've been on some holidays, 3 holidays already, thanks to this opportunity. One was a tour through South Africa for almost 3 weeks. Other was 5 days on the cruiser, ocean liner to the Portuguese islands next to Mozambique. The income potential is unlimited. You decide how much you want to earn. If you need extra income, you work a bit harder and you can make more. You decide what, when, how much you need. And you can earn foreign currency. Now, here's Africa. I mean, the British pound is something like 22 rand to a pound. So, 100 British pounds is a lot of money for South Africa. And in most countries in the world, 100 British pounds is a lot of money. Now, what is the work? You need about 5 to 10 hours per week. Now, it's very important. If you don't have 10 hours a week, but you can put in 3 or 4 hours a week consistently, that's better than 1 week working 20 hours and 2 weeks doing nothing. But on average, if you can spend 5 to 10 hours per week, you need to register. In South Africa, you register for about 950 rand minimum. You get the products in there, you get brochures in there, price list, and all those things in the registration kit. First step, you use products at a discount. Now that is great stuff. How many people go around to shops and look for advertisements just to buy at a discount? Okay? So here you can buy at a discount and save money. What do you do next? You do the following. You talk to people. You share the business opportunity. That's what our friends did with us. Well, it took them 2 years to convince us, but we didn't listen sooner. But the point is, you talk to people, you share the opportunity, in other words, you go out and help other people. And you can earn a bonus in the process. I'm going to explain that later. And people that are not interested, you can share the products with them, which you can also make profit on. Plus, it can form part of your bonus as well. What products are there? Healthcare products, all organic, whole food supplements tested on humans, published in scientific journals. Now, it's not just thumb-sucked, but really quality, tested, proven. Weight management, same thing. Home care products, non-toxic cleaning products. Much better for your health and for your budget, by the way. And skin and personal care products as well. So what do you have to do? What is the actual work you must do? Let's talk about that. Now this is a difficult job, eh? You have to buy at a discount and save. Okay? Important, you buy what you want, when you want, as much as you like. There's no obligation to buy every month. You don't want to buy anything in a month, you don't. Okay? Just like you would if you go to a supermarket, you don't buy everything on the shelf. You don't go every day. You only go when you want, and you only buy what you want. The reason why I buy a discount, because we cut out the wholesalers, the advertisers, the retailers, the reps, and the shoplifters, and all the people in between that push up the price. Now, normal business, we don't want that. That's why there's a red cross there. Okay? You've got the manufacturer on the one side, the factory on the one side, consumer on the other side, and in between you've got a lot of other people that all want to make a profit and a living. So if you can cut them out, you can save. And that's what we say, let's do the following. Cut out all those people in the middle, and you only got a small distribution network here in the middle, not those lot of people. What is the benefit of that is that you can have better quality products for cheaper than you would in a normal system. So that's what we prefer. So, we all share great news, bargains, specials, exciting things with friends and family. I mean, that's who we are. If something exciting happens, we're quick to go to WhatsApp. Hey, you know what, this happened, you quickly WhatsApp it to people. Or people put it on Facebook and say, hey, I just won a motor car, whatever happened to them. Or even, I went to a party and it was a fantastic party with a photo of the party, for example. That's who we are. We talk to people. But you can use social media, you can use the telephone, you can do it in person, you can invite people to this type of talk on a Wednesday evening. Okay? So what else do you have to do? You show others how to buy the discount. By talking to them, you teach them now to also buy at a discount. So you're helping them save money. They also cut at the wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, reps, and the shoplifters. What do you have to do? Let's see. You show others how to buy a discount and save money. Let's make it practical. Let's make it very practical. Here you can see at the top, the first picture, if you buy products of, let's say, 100 rands or pounds or dollars, whatever unit or currency you're in, and you talk to 2 people and they do the same. That means you have 3 people now buying at a discount. The turnover in this example is only 300, so it's not even a big turnover. Okay? The point is you can save money doing this way. Okay? So, what else must you do? If you talk to more people, let's take the example here. You in the middle still there. You talk to 2 more people that do 100 rand each, or 100 pounds, whatever. And your first 2 people, if they do what you've done in the beginning, and they talk to 2 each, now that means there are now 9 people just from talking to other people. And now if they just use 100 rands worth of product, they give you 900 turnover now. And it doesn't stop here. Because if the 2 new people you got in do the same as what you did in the first one, and your other 2 people did what you did in the second one, you now see by talking to people, and they talk to people, they talk to people. Now in this example, there are now 27 people. So you see what's happening to the turnover? It increases, it accelerates. If they keep on doing what you've been doing and you keep on doing the same thing, now you notice there were 81 people. Okay, just by talking to people. And that way, the turnover increases and you get a bigger and bigger bonus on the turnover. What do you have to do? Let's continue that topic. Just like Amazon, you sell and distribute your products directly to people who do not want to register and deliver to the front door. So they buy and get delivered to the front door. The company helps you with that. Okay? In other words, you cut the wholesalers, advertisers, retailers, reps, all those people again. How much can you earn? Let's get practical. Now, the figures I'm using here are actually still a bit low, but it's to give you an idea. If you have 10 customers, depending on what they purchase, you can earn like 10,000 Rand per month. If you've got 50 customers, it can be like 10,000 Rand plus per month. But the point in this business is not to build a business full of customers, because that is short-term income and your time is limited. Work smarter, not harder. So, build a promoted team. In other words, get people who are interested to earn a better living, a better income, to register so that they also talk to people. And that build up a team of people, of promoters that use the products, and each one might have 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 customers. In the end, you have a big turnover. And you can earn much more than what I put there. Much, much more. Okay. How do you earn? Firstly, you save money because you buy at a discount. So you save money. Your team members use products, and this increases your total team turnover. The idea is to get a big turnover. The bigger the turnover, the bigger your bonus will be. You earn a bonus on the total turnover of your team. Your team members sell to their customers. This increases your total team turnover, and you earn a bonus on your total team turnover. Remember now also, the people that register, they also do exactly the same, which means they get people and they start earning bonuses on their people as well. They also save money because they buy discount. So these steps apply to people you invite and you also register. It applies to them as well. You earn a profit of about 20-25% if you sell to a customer. You earn on your own turnover and that of your team. So, just to recap quickly. You earn a profit if you sell to customers. You create a turnover because you use yourself and you sell. You've got promoters in your team that do exactly the same. That increases your turnover. On your team's turnover, you get a bonus from between 3 and 25%. Example. If your personal use, for example, is 5,000 rands, you have saved about 700 rand because you buy discount. If your team has a turnover, let's say 60,000 rand, remember they also save now. Okay? You will earn a bonus of about 10% on their turnover. If you sell, let's say 5,000 rand worth of products to customers, we don't focus on customers, but it's good to have a few customers. You earn a profit of about 900 rand. You see what's going to happen here? Your total turnover is now 70,000. You will earn a bonus of about 6,000 rand on that. Now, I'm being conservative here, but I want you to see the principle. Remember now, your total income is actually 6,900 rand, and that excludes the money you have saved. So in the actual fact, your income is like 7,600 rand, actually. And this is just to show the principle, because you can actually earn much more than this. And people do earn much more than this. Basic plan. Step 1, use products and save money. 2, get education and support. That is what this video is about. Teaching people who are already distributors or promoters how to do the business and how to promote the business. As well as to show this to new people, and they can be invited via this video and they might be interested in registering. Share the business by sharing this video with people. These are the 3 steps that we must focus on. The 4th step, if people do not want to go into the business, they might want to buy the products, you share the products with them and you earn a profit on that. And you can earn a bonus on that as well. So, come and join us for better health, improved finances, travel, self-development, family and community, because you're not on your own. Now, are you ready to change your life? That's a question you answer yourself. Because we made the decision long ago, and we're so glad we did. Now is the time for you as well.
Hello folks, what a privilege it is for me to spend a few minutes sharing with you about the most incredible opportunity that ever crossed my path. I was 26 years old when they discovered I had leukemia. Newly married to a wonderful bride for about 2 years, had a little baby daughter, and I was desperate to stay alive. The next 5 years, I fought my cancer the medical way. Well, after 5 years, I was sent home to die. It was a really traumatic time in our family. And that's when we discovered what an incredible God we have with impeccable timing. Because he sent somebody across my path to teach me that the body is the healer, that we have to change the environment and our lifestyle. And the first thing that I changed was the supplements I was taking. And within a matter of days, my energy increased, my liver swelling went down, my leukemia count improved. And I wanted to find out more about this company with its incredible products. You see, I thought that all supplements were whole food supplements. I was horrified to discover what I was taking had either turpentine, petroleum, rocks, or metal in. When I got into whole food, they changed my life. Then I started researching this company. Well, at that time, my wife and I, we had 4 companies in 3 different countries with about 200 staff. And the stress of that was also playing havoc on my life. And I was looking for an opportunity that had the benefits of this industry, but I didn't know there was an opportunity like that out there. And so as I researched this industry, I discovered, number one, this company sells to the world. That means you can have businesses around the globe. You're not based in one economy. Today, my wife and I, we've got income from 26 different countries around the globe. As I researched this industry, I discovered that you're wanting unique products. And the products of this company are so unique that there's not one other business on planet Earth that can serve you the quality, the ingredient, and the results that these products can supply. The next thing I discovered that you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. That to me was so incredible because any other industry, most of them fail because of either lack of expertise or lack of income. And this business, you don't need expertise because you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Somebody's going to guide you and train you and empower you. At the same time, you don't need income because this business will create its own income as you go along. You don't have to invest thousands into education and learning that you take out from your income that you're producing from this business. The next thing I loved about this opportunity was flexi time. It's a little hobby you start at spare time. And while I had my business of 200 staff, I started this up and I actually could replace my income within a few years from this opportunity. Well, the more I researched it, the more excited I got about it because I discovered there's no staff, there's no bosses. That to me was absolutely incredible because I had 200 staff and I always wanted to be my own boss, but I didn't want the stress that went with it. I didn't have to have warehousing. The company does the warehousing. I didn't have to do the shipping. The company does the shipping. I didn't have to control marketing plans. The company controls all that kind of stuff. So here I was free to do what I was best at, and that was working with people. I just had to grow in that area. Well, today this business has allowed us to travel the world, to own ourselves. We've been full-time in this opportunity for close on 27 years. What an incredible opportunity that within a matter of months of getting involved, we could go full-time and earn a decent income out of this opportunity. Today, our children love the opportunity. Today, I've got no cancer. I'm healthy. I've got an incredible wife. My daughter today has got children, so I've got grandchildren from people that I thought I'd never even meet. And that to me is just so, so exciting. Here we are, we're sitting on the banks of the Tugela River in southern Africa, having a great time with 20 leaders from around the world, all being rewarded for this incredible opportunity. Anyway, folks, I want to tell you, get hold of the person who gave this DVD, because the information that they have got for you can empower you to change your life and live the life that you can only dream of. Thank you so much.
Wow, that is a testimony, eh? Wow. Now let me quickly show you about money saving tips, because I've been saying you can save money. Now, first of all, toxic cleaning products. A lot of children end up in hospital every year because of toxic cleaning products. They're not even talking about people with eczema and other allergies as well. So it's really a big problem. Let's look at it. You can save money while you actually improve your health by going to non-toxic cleaners. Here is an example. Those 5 products, if you go to local supermarket in South Africa, you will get those bottles. It will cost you 224 rands for 3.75 liters. That averages to about 60 rand per liter, which is quite expensive. And these are toxic products. Here's a product, 1 liter must be diluted. On average, you get 11 liters from one bottle. That is 22 spray bottles full of cleaning product. There you can see a photograph of the before and after this product cleaning the paving. It replaces the all-purpose cleaner, the window cleaner, the pre-wash, the floor cleaner, the toilet cleaner, and the oven cleaner for much less, for 116 rand only. 116 rand versus 224. It's almost half the price. And this is customer price I'm talking about. So if you're a registered promoter, it will work you less than 100 rand. The price will be less than 100 rand for equivalent amount of cleaning product. This works out to about 29 rand per liter of equivalent strength cleaners. These 3 can be replaced with one product. Take note here. This gives us 234 rand for 1.65 liters. That's about 142 rand per liter. This product here replaces the Sunlight liquid, the Melted Dark shampoo, and the Radix body wash. And that bottle is concentrated. You get 17 small bottles of 350 ml from that. In other words, you get about 6 liters. And it replaces those for only 89 rand. And if you registered, it would be less than 80 rand in other words. So less than 54 rand, whereas the other one's something like 90 rand or something plus a liter. If you take the whole package together, total cost of supermarket, almost 500 rands. Total cost of non-toxic cleaning products, only 205 rand. You save 290 rand. Now, if you are registered, you will pay about 160 rand, which is about a third of what the shop products will cost you. I mean, it makes sense. Why must you pay a lot of money in the shops if you can buy for cheaper? And the things are not toxic either. Another example is this non-toxic disinfectant. Test it. Now, Dettol in the shops will cost you more than 100 rand a liter. This product is tested by the African Bureau of Standards, and it has a certificate that is registered for less than 28 rand a liter after dilution to hospital strength disinfectant. That's diluting it 1 to 10. You can actually dilute this 1 to 50. So that's cheap. Make your own comparison, and you can see that I'm talking the truth. Let's take a supplement example, because people don't realize. People buy price in the shops, and they think they're buying good quality, but they're actually wasting money. CalMag supplements. Most contain calcium carbonate or dolomite, which absorption is less than 10%. Now, if a pill has 100 milligrams of calcium, elemental calcium in, then you get 10 milligrams calcium, actually less per pill. If that pill costs 1 rand each, that means you pay 1 rand for less than 10 milligrams of calcium. The brand that we recommend has an absorption rate of 84%. Each tablet has got 100 milligrams calcium. That means you get 84 milligrams calcium per tablet. Can you see the difference here? Both contain 100 milligrams of calcium. The one that absorbs is less than 10 milligrams, other one's about 84 milligrams. It's because it is a double chelated calcium. You need about 8 of the cheaper brands, 8, 9 or so, to get the same amount of calcium. That means you pay about R8 plus for the same amount of calcium. Now, which one is cheaper? You see what I'm getting at? Now, also, ladies need to get about 1,500, depending on how active you are, milligrams calcium a day. So if you take 3 tablets of the cheap one, you're getting in less than 30 milligrams extra. Now, 30 milligrams, will that make a difference to 1,500 milligrams? If you're short, very unlikely to make much of a difference. But if you take 3 of the 84 milligram calcium ones, that will give you more than 240 to 250 milligrams of calcium. That can make a difference to your health. So which one is cheaper in the end? Contact the person that shared this video with you and ask the person for more information. Thank you.
Yeah, Mom. That was awesome.
Thank you. Let me just stop the recording.